Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 24 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are sayings, that means Niti Kavya, miscellaneous sentences. Sayings are Niti Vakya, that means that are often said, phrases said by our elders, scholarly people. They have given few sayings, important words which are very important for us. So these are called sayings, which in Hindi we call it as Niti Vakya. Miscellaneous sentences. Attending a wedding, that means Vivah Samaroh mein. When you are in a wedding, when you are attending a meeting, lot of things you talk about. So few sentences in those contexts. Wedding is Vivah. So attending a wedding, that means Vivah Samaroh mein. On the playground, that playground is where children come and play. So खेल के मैदान में, that means in the playground. खेल is play, मैदान is ground. So lot of things children talk about. We'll study few sentences in this context. In the tourist office, that means when you go to some tourist office, that means you have some kind of travel tourism related office. So that is, tourist is called Payatan. Office is Karyalay. Payatan Karyalay mein. So you talk few things there. So we'll understand and study few sentences here in this session about the tourist office. That means Payatan Karyalay mein. In the hotel, that means hotel mein. Hotel where we go when we go out for tourism or to another places, we stay in a hotel. So what sentences we talk about in a hotel, or daily used conversation that we use in hotel. Let us start with sayings that is Niti Vakya, that are often given by our elders for our benefit, for good things. So let us start with the first one here. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. Idleness is sitting idle. That means laziness in work. So that is called susti. Rog, that means ills. Jad, that means root cause. Sabhi, that means all. So idleness is the root cause of all ills. सुस्ती सभी रोगों की जड़ है. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. So सुस्ती सभी रोगों की जड़ है. Susti is idleness, sitting idle, and laziness. Root cause, that means jad. Ills, that means rog. That means whatever diseases and ills come to us, it is through our laziness, because we don't work, we don't want any physical exercises. So that is the root cause of all diseases. सुस्ती सभी रोगों की जड़ है. अधिक आना जाना इज्जत खो देता है. That means if you go too closer to somebody, or you more and more go to that person's house, so it always gives you less respect. Familiarity breeds contempt. So the respect you hold, you deserve, you lose it, because you have been there, so familiar you are there, that you will lose that respect of yours. अधिक आना जाना इज्जत खो देता है. Familiarity breeds contempt. अधिक is too much. आना जाना, going to somebody's place. इज्जत, that means respect. खो देता है, that means it breeds. खुशहाली मित्र बनाती है, परंतु विपदा उनको परखती है. खुशहाली is prosperity, happiness, and there is all round, everything is there, you are content that everything you have, so that is prosperity. खुशहाली, it gains friends. Friends is मित्र, बनाती है, that means it gains friends. Parantu, but. Vipda, that means you have bad times, that is adversity. You can try them in that bad times of yours, and you will understand that whether this person will really is your good friend or he is not. So, or when you have good times, everybody comes close to you, but actual friend is that who is there with you in all bad times also. So prosperity can give you friends, but adversity tries them. Adversities, bad times will, you can try them, you can understand them whether they are really your good friends or not. So खुशहाली मित्र बनाती है, परंतु विपदा उनको परखती है. That means prosperity gains friends, but adversity tries them. ईमानदारी सबसे अच्छी नीति है. नीति इज द पॉलिसी, ऑनेस्टी इज ईमानदारी, सबसे अच्छी दैट मीन्स बेस्ट. सो इफ यू आर ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्टी इज ईमानदारी, दैट मीन्स यू डोंट लाई, यू टोटली ऑनेस्ट इन ऑल योर एस्पेक्ट्स, इन ऑल योर कंटेक्स्ट. सो ऑनेस्टी इट्स द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. बेस्ट इज सबसे अच्छी, पॉलिसी इट्स नीति. So if you follow honesty, it is the best policy. ईमानदारी सबसे अच्छी नीति. This is very common saying, you must have heard. ईमानदारी सबसे अच्छी नीति है. Honesty, it's the best policy. पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती. As we have 5 fingers, they are not equal, we all know that. Barabar is they are not equal. So this is the saying that all our 5 fingers are not equal. That means all are not alike. Even children of one mom, one mother are not similar. They are not alike. So even 5 fingers in our hands are not alike. So you can say all are not alike. पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती हैं. All are not alike. All is fair in love and war. This is a very common saying, you must have heard it. Everything is fair when you are in love or in war. Everything is fair there. Fair is सही. All, that means सब कुछ. प्रेम, that means love. War, that means युद्ध. In, that means में. So all is fair in love and war. प्रेम और युद्ध में सब कुछ सही है. You must have heard this saying that love, that means प्रेम. War, that means युद्ध. में, that means in love and war, सब कुछ सही है. All is fair in love and war. Fair is सही. शराफत में कुछ नहीं होता. That means if you are following good manners, if you are good person, it doesn't cost you anything. So that means you don't have to spend money for your courtesy, for your good attitude, for your good behavior. You just have to follow it. Only that's the thing. You need not to give any money for that. You don't need not to pay anything for that. So courtesy cost nothing. Courtesy is sharafat. Cost, that means खर्च. Nothing, that means नहीं होता. कुछ खर्च नहीं होता. शराफत में कुछ खर्च नहीं होता. Courtesy costs nothing. किसी को मारना हो तो इल्ज़ाम लगाकर मारो. Give a dog a bad name and hang him. That means if you want to kill somebody, so if you give him bad name, that person who is a respectable person, it always affects him. So give if you want to insult somebody, just give him a bad name that he has done something wrong. He'll automatically feel very disrespectful because he's a respectful person, and the person who is respectful, if he gets bad name, he is really feel insulted. Give a dog a bad name and hang him. किसी को मारना हो तो इल्ज़ाम लगाकर मारो. Few miscellaneous sentences that we use in our day-to-day life, like we use the gas has finished. That means gas खत्म हो गई है. Gas, we use for cooking purpose. So the gas has finished. Finished is खत्म. The gas has finished. That means गैस खत्म हो गई. आपको तैयार होने में कितनी देर लगेगी? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू गेट रेडी? तैयार दैट मीन्स रेडी, टू गेट रेडी. कितनी देर दैट मीन्स हाउ लॉन्ग. विल यू टेक दैट मीन्स आपको होने में. सो हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू गेट रेडी? आपको तैयार होने में कितनी देर लगेगी? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू गेट रेडी? हाउ मच टाइम डू यू नीड? सो यू विल से हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू गेट रेडी? आपको तैयार होने में कितनी देर लगेगी? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू गेट रेडी? कानून व्यवस्था दिन प्रतिदिन बिगड़ रही है. दैट मीन्स लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन इज deteriorating day by day. Kanun is, we have already studied about Kanun, that means law. So law and order situation, that is lawlessness, is there in the city. So law and order situation is deteriorating day by day. Day by day is din pratidin. Kanun vyavastha is law and order. बिगड़ रही है, that means it's deteriorating. So कानून व्यवस्था दिन प्रतिदिन बिगड़ रही है. That means the law and order situation is deteriorating day by day. So that means the situation of law and order in the city or in any place, it's deteriorating day by day. That means law and order, I already told you, कानून व्यवस्था दिन प्रतिदिन डे बाय डे बिगड़ रही है. दैट मीन्स इट्स डेटीरियोरेटिंग. उसकी पसंद अच्छी है. ही इज अ मैन ऑफ गुड टेस्ट. दैट मीन्स ही हैज़ गुड चॉइस. ही हैज़ अ गुड टेस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स. पसंद इज टेस्ट. अच्छी, दैट मीन्स गुड. Uski, that means he is a man. That means some person, he has a good taste. That means he has a good choice. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Don't look at me like this. Don't give a look like that. Don't look at me like this. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Looking is देखना. Don't, that means मत. Like this, that means इस तरह. मुझे, that means me. Don't look at me like this. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Don't look at me like this. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. दैट मीन्स जस्ट look at me with this manner, with like this. So मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Make the most of opportunity. That means मौके का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाइए. That means opportunity, that means मौका. पूरा फ़ायदा, that means make the most of it. That means you have got the opportunity, grab it and get the whole benefit out of it. So make the most of opportunity. मौके का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाइए. Few sentences about attending a wedding. When you are in wedding, you often ask these kind of questions or these kind of talks you often have. Where has the barat come from? Barat कहाँ से आई है? Barat is the procession that comes with bridegroom. So where has the barat come from? कहाँ, that means where. Come from आई है. Where has the barat come from? बारात कहाँ से आई है? Where will the barat be going? बारात कहाँ जाएगी? That means where will the barat be going? That means where will it lead? Where will it go? जाएगी, that means going. बारात, again procession. कहाँ, where? So where will the barat be going? विवाह का मुहूर्त कब का है? वेडिंग इज़ विवाह. इन हिंदी वी कॉल वेडिंग एज विवाह. सो विवाह का मुहूर्त कब का है? दैट मीन्स when is the muhurat for wedding? Muhurat, a good time, auspicious time we select for these kind of auspicious things like wedding, like vivah, in Hindi we call it. So these kind of things we ask for good timings, that what will be the next time, that is called muhurat. So when is the muhurat for wedding? Vivah ka muhurat कब का है? That auspicious time. The wedding party was very good. The wedding, or you can say the party, was very good. It's a common statement we use. We compliment that it was really nice. So wedding or the party was very good. It was very nice. That means शादी और या फिर पार्टी बहुत अच्छी रही. Wedding is शादी, or we always also called it as विवाह. Party, it's a common party, we get together or something like that. So the wedding or the party was very good. It was शादी और पार्टी या फिर पार्टी बहुत अच्छी रही. मैं आज फुटबॉल, हॉकी, क्रिकेट मैच देखना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू सी अ फुटबॉल, हॉकी और क्रिकेट मैच टुडे. सो ईदर थिंग यू कैन से, मैं आज फुटबॉल मैच देखना चाहता हूँ और हॉकी मैच और क्रिकेट मैच. दिस इज समथिंग अबाउट ऑन द प्ले ग्राउंड. वी आर स्टडिंग इन दिस एस्पेक्ट इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड खेल के मैदान में. सो सी, दैट मीन्स देखना. वॉन्ट, दैट मीन्स चाहता हूँ. आई, दैट मीन्स मैं. फुटबॉल और हॉकी और क्रिकेट मैच टुडे. टुडे इज आज. सो आई वॉन्ट टू सी अ फुटबॉल और हॉकी और क्रिकेट मैच टुडे. मैच किन टीमों के बीच हो रहा है? विच टीम्स आर प्लेइंग द मैच? किन टीमों, दैट मीन्स विच टीम्स के बीच हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स हु इज इन्वॉल्व इन द मैच, हु ऑल टीम्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन द मैच। मैच किन टीमों के बीच में हो रहा है? आपको कौन से खेल पसंद हैं? दैट मीन्स व्हाट गेम्स डू यू लाइक। पसंद है दैट मीन्स लाइक, व्हाट दैट मीन्स कौन, गेम्स दैट मीन्स खेल, आपको दैट मीन्स यू। व्हाट गेम्स डू यू लाइक, आपको कौन से खेल पसंद हैं? व्हाट गेम्स डू यू लाइक। मैच किस समय शुरू होगा? When will the match start? Match start that means शुरू. So किस समय that means when. When will the match start? Match किस समय शुरू होगा? This is in पर्यटन कार्यालय में, that means tourist office. इस शहर में कौन कौन सी जगह देखने लायक है? Which are the worth seeing places in this city? कौन कौन सी जगह, that means which are the places. देखने लायक that means worth seeing. So which places are worth seeing in the city? City is शहर. In this city that means इस शहर में. So we often ask in the tourist office that what all places are good here to watch, to see. So in this city, so which are the worth seeing places in this city? इस शहर में कौन कौन सी जगह देखने लायक हैं? Which are the worth seeing places in this city? आगरा में कहाँ ठहरना चाहिए? Where should I stay in Agra? ठहरना that means stay. Where should I that means आगरा में कहाँ. Should that means चाहिए. Where should I stay in Agra? आगरा में कहाँ ठहरना चाहिए? मुझे एक टूरिस्ट गाइड चाहिए, कहाँ मिलेगा? I want a tourist guide. Where will I get one? That means मुझे एक टूरिस्ट गाइड चाहिए. That means I want a tourist guide. Where will I get one? कहाँ मिलेगा? So where will I get that person? Tourist guide. Because you are new, sometimes when you are new to the city or to the place, you'll ask that I want tourist guide to guide me out in the city. So you say I want a tourist guide. Where will I get one? मैंने अजंता और एलोरा की गुफाएं देखना चाहता हूँ. मैं अजंता और एलोरा की गुफाएं देखना चाहता हूँ. That means I would like to see or visit the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Ajanta and Ellora caves are famous in Mumbai. So I want to see that. That means देखना चाहता हूँ. मैं that means I. अजंता and Ellora की गुफाएं is caves. So I want to see Ajanta and Ellora caves. This is in hotel. Few sentences in this context. Is there any room available in this hotel? That means क्या कोई कमरा खाली है? That means खाली is vacant. कमरा is room. क्या कोई कमरा खाली है? Is there any room available in this hotel? We often ask this question, that whether there is any place or room available in this hotel. क्या कोई कमरा खाली है? What do you charge for a single or a double bedroom? So single bed और double bed के कमरे का क्या किराया होगा? Single bed, single bed we have. Double bed, so what do you charge for these rooms? Single one or double one? Single और double bed के कमरे का क्या किराया होगा? किराया is charge. So what do you charge for a single or double bedroom? मैं 1 घंटे के लिए बाहर जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ. I am going out for an hour. Sometimes when you go out from the hotel, you inform them that I am going out for an hour. Hour is 1 घंटा. An hour. One hour. That means 1 घंटा. Going out, that means बाहर जाना. I am going out for an hour. मैं 1 घंटे के लिए बाहर जा रहा हूँ और रही हूँ. मेरा कोई पत्र और फ़ोन तो नहीं आया. Was there a call for me or is there any letter for me? Sometimes when we go out, we come and ask, was there any call for me or any letter, any news that have come for me? We often ask it. So मेरा पत्र is letter, phone is call, कोई is there any, नहीं तो नहीं आया, so you will ask for it. So मेरा कोई पत्र और फ़ोन तो नहीं आया. कोई मिलने आए तो कमरे में भेज देना. प्लीज़ सेंड माई विजिटर्स टू माई रूम. सो if anybody comes and asks for me, any visitor, so just send him to my room. कोई मिलने आए, that means any visitor. कमरे में भेज देना, that means send him to my room. So please send my visitors to my room. प्रेस वाला अभी तक नहीं आया, that means laundry man hasn't come yet. Press wala is laundry man who do laundry work. So he hasn't come yet. That means yet is abhi tak nahi aaya. That means hasn't come. So laundry man hasn't come yet. Press wala abhi tak nahi aaya. So that is all for this session where we have studied about on the playground, in attending a wedding, and regarding in the hotel. In different contexts we have studied different conversations that are in common use in this context. So that is all for this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.